This is Morso. He is an infamous character from the Finnish children's program Morso, Aasi ja Mouru that was broadcasted on Yle. I remember seeing him on the TV as a child and feeling absolutely terrified at his monster-like appearance. And so did many others across the country, which has achieved Morso a cult reputation of sorts among the people who got nightmares from him years ago. But what even is Morso and his show about? And who in their right mind decided kids would find it appealing? That's what I'm going to try to explain today. As I stated, Morso is a character from a TV show. His species? Morso. His species is a Morso and that's his name too, apparently. I'm having a hard time trying to decide if he's a mole, a troll, or some deceased old man. According to Wikipedia, its appearance is partly based on pugs, to which I say this pug has probably snorted something that was not for dogs. The show is based on some children's books by Tuula Kallioniemi and it uses puppets. The book version of Morso is actually a lot cuter than what we got in the show, but even so the puppet is only a small little thing. I was honestly so surprised to find out how tiny he is. In the show they managed to make it look a lot bigger. But what about the show itself? The actual show is, as the name entails, about 3 characters. Aasi, aka Donkey, Morso, and a cat named Mouru, but he isn't really relevant now because he only appears in the later episodes. The whole series is up on YouTube, by the way, but it's in Finnish, so I'm just gonna explain the plot for those of you who don't understand it. At the beginning of the series, Donkey is very childlike and anxious about going outside because he sees some strange footprints outside and starts believing that horrible creatures called Morsos are out to get him. He's not wrong though, because the village has just gotten a new inhabitant. Morso isn't out to harm anyone though, he's just looking for a place to live. Morso sees Donkey and decides to hide his true identity, giving himself a very convincing fake name. Myrsy.
Ei kun Myrsy täällä.
Donkey is stupid and invites him in to hide since he doesn't realize that this stranger is in fact the very thing he fears. Donkey starts piling xenophobic attitudes on Myrsy when he lets him in.
Morso varmaan on kauhea.
His new friend plays along and soon they become housemates as Donkey wants to protect him from the outside world. In the following episode, Morso finally snaps and makes the confession that he is in fact a Morso, shocking Donkey.
Minä olen Morso!
Luckily, Donkey gets over his fear when he realizes that Morso isn't actually dangerous. And oh look, Mouru is here too. Now, I don't know if it's just my Gen Z brain, but the show is like super slow-paced. That causes all the creepiness of the puppets to sink in even deeper. And despite its slow pacing, some scenes feel like actual jump scares. Oh yeah, and there's also this bird clock that screams from time to time. The moral of the show is actually very wholesome. It's about not making judgments based on appearance and that everyone deserves to be treated equal. Don't judge a book by its cover and a Morso by its appearance and all that. So I guess I owe an apology to Morso. Luke, I'm sorry for calling you ugly, but please stay at least 15 miles away from me. Erja Mikkola, who made the puppet of Morso, made him scary on purpose since Donkey is supposed to be afraid of him at first before finding out that he's actually a pretty nice guy. In the show, Morso is actually the most sensible and peaceful one, while Donkey and Mouru are more so the bumbling idiots. It's a very beautiful concept, but ugly execution. No child is going to stay still and watch this show for some minor character development in the later episodes. No, they're going to run as soon as they hear the opening theme. Morso wasn't a super successful show, but it has rooted itself in the nightmares of people all across Finland, and thanks to the internet, more and more people know of him. No one enjoyed watching Morso, but everyone remembers him. He is perhaps one of the creepiest kid show creatures I've ever personally seen, but trust me, I've seen many. The puppet factor only increases the uncanniness of this thing and makes the vibe of the show that much scarier. Dolls in general can be pretty disturbing, but the uncanniness of this old man mole creature thing is on a whole nother level. I would like to see a 2D animated adaptation of this show that uses the original style from the books. That might even work with today's youth. But the scariest part of all is that Morso, Aasi ja Mouru only ran from late 90s to 2001. I was born in 2006, yet I remember watching Morso on the television. I guess I could have seen it on the computer on YouTube too, but I needed my parents' permission for that, and I don't think they would have let me watch something as shady looking as that. Okay, realistically, it was probably the reruns in 2010 I saw, but you never know, maybe Morso really is cursed. Okay, sorry. Wait, why is there fan art of this thing?